Okay, boys and girls, for our activities for figurative language, what we're going to do is everybody is going to get one of these cards. I'm going to pass out one of these cards to each of you, and you are going to get an example of figurative language. And on the construction paper that I've passed out, you are going to draw a literal version of this figurative language sample. So let's take the cooing baby was just as cute as a kitten. Now we know that the baby does not look like a kitten, but let's take our paper and draw a picture of a baby cooing as cute as a kitten. And if we imagine that literally, what would that look like? And when we're all done, we're going to come up and present these, and we're going to talk about what you drew and what the real meaning is and what the figurative meaning is.